Over the years, clients have asked me, okay, now that I'm working on my culture and we've had the retreat, we're very clear on our vision and values and strategies, how will I know that things are going okay? And my response to them has been, find culture guardians. A culture guardian is an employee who is like the conscience of your organization. This employee is always observing, reflecting, asking questions of others, and making sense of what is happening in the company because they care so much. I call these employees gems. Culture guardians are gems because they care so much and they are the type of employees who are telling you what's going on. If you think about it, you likely have some culture guardians in your organization who are there guiding the conversation around the culture. You may sometimes think of them as someone who is invested and maybe worries too much. And the real story of it is that they care. And I want to share 3 things that you can do to empower culture guardians so that you and they can ensure that you have a strong culture where everyone is giving their best work and that there's an engaging environment where people do not want to leave. Number 1, make it safe for them to share their feedback. And it takes courage to share with your boss or with a higher level leader what you see that can be improved. And one of the letters of my acronym for the Watch It model, which is one of the 3 models that I share in my book, A Powerful Culture Starts With You, one of the letters of the Watch It model is H, handle your ego. And so to be able to ask for feedback on, of course, what is going well and what the team should continue doing is great. And to also ask for what can be better requires you to create an open mindset and be curious. And it's such a big part of ensuring that these culture guardians are engaged and will continue to come to you with their feedback. Number 2, heed their advice. So as you get feedback over the weeks and months from your different culture guardians, and I hope you have more than one, take some action on some of the things that they're talking about. So for example, if someone shares with you that the customer service could use some work and that the communication is not the best that it could be, take the time to seek customer feedback, take the time to come up with new scripts or new ways to talk to customers, and then measure and see how it all went. So it's really important to take in feedback, but also to do something with it. Not all of it, but take some of the things that they say and have an action learning model where you apply a new way of doing it and then measure and see how it is and then improve it and do it again. So it's a continuous cycle that ensures that you are improving your organization. Number 3, bring culture guardians together when you have big changes in the organization. So whether there is an acquisition, whether there's a new senior team member, whether there's a new software that you're implementing, make sure you bring your culture guardians on board and help them understand what is the change that's happening, why it's important, how to start implementing the new way of doing things. And once they are crystal clear, they will be great champions for the rest of the organization. So here's to empowering your culture guardians and ensuring that your company is safe and solid and doing great work going forward. And do remember, a powerful culture starts with you.